Shalom Aleichem, my Assyrian dishes friends. I'm Julian and today we'll be making eggplant stew or shorbat banjane. So let's start cooking. These are the ingredients for the eggplant stew. You will need half an eggplant peeled and diced, 400 grams of extra lean beef mince, ground beef, 2 tomatoes diced, 1 onion diced, 1 can of 213 ml of tomato puree, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of ground black pepper, half a teaspoon of citric acid, half a teaspoon of curry powder, and half a teaspoon of paprika. And this is how your shorbat banjane should look like. Serve it on a bed of rice and enjoy. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share this recipe with your friends. And don't forget to visit my website at AssyrianDishes.com for more recipes. And if you're interested in any of our Assyrian Dishes kitchen products like our apron, tumbler, chopping board, oven mitts, tea towels, pastry brush and spatula, you can email us on AssyrianDishes@gmail.com or visit our website. Happy cooking, everyone!